Are you seeking for a PPT presentation kit for ISO 14001 training? Let me clarify what ISO 14001 PPT presentation kit is all about. This ISO 14001 Auditor Training Kit aims to fulfill training needs of environmental management system internal auditors and other EMS professionals. This kit contains more than 300 editable PPT presentation slides covering all elements of an EMS. The following content is included in this ISO 14001-2015 PPT presentation kit. PPT presentation, handouts, workshops and case study, audit records, audit checklist, auditor sample certificate. The following modules are included in this ISO 14001 PPT package. Overview, terms and definitions, requirements, environmental aspect impact, environment management system documented information, environmental objectives and plans, steps for ISO 14001 certification. Feel free to contact us at sales@punyamacademy.com or go to www.punyamacademy.com for more information.